Hello, welcome to this video about using Thiele Small parameters with Speakerbench. First a note, and that is that Speakerbench was created to facilitate the advanced parameters. So when you use Thiele Small parameters, you lose some of the power of the application. We have used this Thiele Small simplification when we have verified that the software works as it should. But it means that you can also use it if you like. So let's get to it and see. Here's Speakerbench, and the main app for Speakerbench is the datasheet creator. And in the creator we have an import tab where you can import datasheets. But there are a couple here at the bottom called templates, and these are for entering Thiele Small parameters. We have two options. This is legacy mode 1, where you know the Q values of the driver, and legacy mode 2, where you know the mechanical parameters of the driver. I prefer the second one. It's just a matter of personal taste. You can do whichever one you like. But let me try to push this one into the datasheet creator. And what it does, you can see that it now goes into legacy mode here. And now we are ready to enter the parameters that we would like to work with. And in my case, I have just chosen a ScanSpeak 18W 4531G00 as an example. You can also modify the parameters down here if you like. And then we move on to the other tabs and we start specifying what are the parameters of the driver. And from memory, I'm just adding these parameters. And instead of typing SD, I would like to type the diameter. It's 140. Push the apply button. It gets calculated here. And in the simple parameters, we enter some parameters. This might not be exactly what it says in the data sheet, but close enough. And the inductance, we can enter that as well, which is expands the Thiele Small parameters a little bit, but and the Xmax, even though it's not a colored box, we can still type something into the Xmax box as well. Push the apply button, and we can see in the summary that we have this driver with the parameters roughly from the data sheet. We have QMS, QES, and QTS calculate for us, VAS, and we can see that the advanced parameters down here, they are zeroed out. Also, this beta value is zeroed out. So we're ready, and I recommend that you download this data sheet by pushing this link. And once you do that, you can rename it to a meaningful name. And you don't have to enter this particular driver into the creator again. You can just drag and drop, load the data sheet. And then we push the box calculator, and as we can see, it now calculates the box, or proposal for a box. But as you may know, if you've seen some of the other videos, Speakerbench initializes the box volume equal to VAS, and that's in this case a bad guess. So we will type here 20 liters apply, just to get something a little bit more meaningful. And now Speakerbench works with a simplified model for this driver, and it gives you all the calculations that you're used to here, as if it was calculating any other box. And group delay, and if you had enabled the step response, the time domain toggle, you would get a step response here as well, and the alignment chart in this case. So that's it. Speakerbench works fine with Thiele Small parameters. You just don't get the added power of and the precision that you would normally get when you use advanced model for your simulation. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like more content on this video channel, please subscribe. Have a good day.